Hi, welcome to JoVE. This is the JoVE.com homepage. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a JoVE account. To start creating an account, click Sign In. Select Create an Account. Enter your institutional email address. This will allow you to access the JoVE content your institution subscribes to. An email will be sent to your inbox to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, you will be redirected to finish setting up your account. Enter your name, create a password, and institution information, and select your role and job title. Then, click on Create Account. Your JoVE account is now created. Click on your profile and select My JoVE to find videos you've previously watched and liked. To view the content your institution subscribes to, select JoVE Access. You can even access JoVE video content if your institution uses Gmail. Simply use the Google Single Sign-On feature to log in for access. Get the most out of JoVE today.